Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC in Hawaii. We'll go through every single step you need to do. Plus, I'll take you guys through the best platform that can actually help you set up your LLC super fast. And yeah, it's the platform that I use to set up all my business entities. And yeah, for those of you who want to start a business, you'll typically want to start a Hawaii LLC if you live in the state of Hawaii. Now let's briefly go over the 5 steps you'll need to take when forming an LLC in Hawaii. First, you'll need to name your LLC. Second, you'll want to appoint a registered agent. 3, you want to file your articles of organization. 4, you want to create an operating agreement. And then 5, you want to obtain your EIN from the IRS. We'll go into each of these in more detail, but just know that if you guys want to skip all this work and have a platform do it for you, use the chapters in this video to actually skip to the end, which is where I'll be taking you guys through IncFile. Okay, so first up, naming your LLC, right? So for Hawaii, you're going to want to follow Hawaii's state naming guidelines. And they basically say that you must include limited liability company, LLC, or L.L.C. Your name cannot cause any confusion with a government agency, for example, the FBI, the Treasury, the State Department. And you'll also want to make sure that your name is available in the state of Hawaii. So you can actually look this up for free on the Secretary of State website. And I'm going to leave that link down in the description below. Essentially, you'll want to choose a name that's available and also make sure that the domain name is available too, because that's going to help you build a much better identity for your new business. Like I said, you guys can bypass all these steps by just using a third-party service such as IncFile. But for now, let's continue on to the second step. So 2 is to actually hire a registered agent. So a registered agent is a person or a business that is responsible for sending and receiving important legal documents on your behalf, such as tax forms, lawsuits, government correspondence forms, and whatever else gets sent to you. So the rules state that the registered agent must be a full-time resident in Hawaii or a service authorized to conduct business in Hawaii. This can be yourself, it could be an employee, or it can even be a registered agent service. I will say that if you guys do use IncFile to help form your LLC, they actually give you a free registered agent service for 1 year. But yeah, of course, you can always use yourself if you live in Hawaii as your registered agent. Just know that that's going to be a little bit less private. This information will be available online. Step 3 is to actually file your LLC articles of organization. So these are the legal documents that actually create your LLC, right? And you're going to file these with the Department of Commerce and Consumer Affairs. This is going to be Form LLC-1, and you can actually file this online, by mail, email, fax, or even in person. Hawaii charges a $50 state filing fee, which is non-refundable, and there's also a $1 Hawaii state archive fee. During this whole process, you're going to want to decide if the LLC is going to be member managed or manager managed. And for 99% of you guys watching this, it's going to be member managed. Step 4 is to create an LLC operating agreement, right? So this is not required to actually be publicly filed in Hawaii, which is great, but you'll still want to have one for your own records. The operating agreement is an internal legal document that outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your LLC. And basically what it does is it ensures both owners and employees know what to expect from the company and vice versa. It's going to include things like the organization, so basically who the members are, 2, the management and voting structure, 3, capital contributions, 4, distributions, basically how profits and losses are shared between members, 5, membership changes, all the processes and rules for adding and removing people, and then 6 is dissolution, which is basically outlining the rules for dissolving your LLC. Step 5 is to obtain your Hawaii LLC EIN. So this is also known as the Federal Tax Identification Number, and you can sort of think of it as a social security number for a business. It basically allows the IRS to identify and keep track of your business's tax status. The IRS actually provides this number free of charge for business owners, but you will have to file a form to get that EIN. And that form can be done online or by mail. And we'll actually link that website down below so you guys can access it. If you're a sole proprietor and you're switching over to an LLC, you cannot use your social security number for this. The EIN is a separate number that you guys must get, so this is a really important step. After that, you may need to obtain some additional licensing in Hawaii, so you can pause this video and look at the slide to see if it applies to you. You may also need a Hawaii LLC certificate of status, so this is known as a certificate of good standing, and this is generally needed if you are asking lenders or banks for money, if you're forming the business as a foreign LLC in another state, or you're obtaining business licenses or permits. After doing all these steps, you're going to want to open up a business bank account, and this basically allows you to separate your personal assets from your business assets. You may also want to get a business credit card or a business debit card, and of course hire an accountant, right? So having a business, the taxes are normally more complicated than if you're just a sole proprietor. So that's why it's really important to have someone help you with this stuff. stuff. After that, you might need some business insurance. So look into general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, as well as workers' comp insurance. Whether or not you need these actually depends on your business. So what I'd actually do is do a Google search online and see if these are needed. So I know this seems pretty complicated, but the good news is that there are platforms out there like IncFile that can actually do all this for you. And I've created many business entities. I've used IncFile for almost all of them, and they are such a great platform to use. Basically what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take you guys through their website, show you how to actually apply and start your LLC. And yeah, we'll be using the gold plan, which is what I really recommend. All right, so if you guys go to the description of this video and click on the IncFile link, it's going to take you to this page. And what we're gonna do is we'll click Start My Business. From here, I'm going to select my entity type. So since we are doing an LLC, I'll leave it like that. And since we're forming our LLC in Hawaii, I'll scroll down here and find Hawaii. After that, it's going to show me the 3 different plans. So you have your silver plan, you have your gold plan, and your platinum plan. Now, for 99% of you guys watching this, I'd recommend using the gold plan. This is the plan that I've used every single time, and I do not regret it. It's a bit more expensive than the silver, but you just get way more, and it really ensures that you file your LLC correctly. So with the silver plan, the package fee is $0. So IncFile is literally taking $0 to do this, and you're paying the mandatory state fee of $51. They're basically going to help you prepare and file your articles of organization. They'll help you with your name searches, and they give you that free registered agent service for 1 year. Now, like I said, I wouldn't recommend getting the silver package because there's still a lot missing there. Rather, I think most of you guys should go with the gold package. This one has a package fee of $199 and the state fee, which is mandatory. In this case, they're basically going to get your EIN business tax number for you. They're going to actually file form 2553 for you to help you with your operating agreement, your banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, as well as a bunch of other things. So super worth it in my opinion. If you guys value your time, this is going to be the package for you. And if you want to ball out, they have the platinum plan, which is even better. This one includes everything in the gold plan, plus business contract templates, expedited filing, as well as a domain name and business email. So for this video, I'm going to select the gold package. Here it's going to have you enter in the contact person. So I'm going to put that as myself. After I have that, I'm going to come down here to the mailing address. After I have that entered, I'll click next. Here it's going to have me select my state filing time. So right now it takes about 3 weeks to file, and that costs $0 extra. But if you want a much faster filing time of 2 days, you guys can select this. For this video, I'm just going to select the standard 3 weeks filing time, and I'll click next. Here I'm going to enter in my company information. So this is the name of the company that you think of. I'm going to put Charlie Chang Management. Just as a placeholder, you're going to select your designator, so it can be any of these. I'll select LLC, and it's going to show you what your official company name is going to display as. So make sure that looks okay, and if it does, we can move on to the next section. Here we're going to select the number of members/owners. Since it is just me, I will select 1, but choose accordingly. Then you're going to enter in your business purpose. So after I have that, you're going to come down here, you're going to say what industry your business is in. I'll just select this. This doesn't matter too much. And after that, I'll come down here to the company address information. Now, if this is the same as the address you entered earlier, you guys can click on this and it's going to populate that. If not, enter in your company address. And I'll click next right here. After that, it's going to ask you if you want to actually upgrade to the premium service package. This is going to include these things right here. So that's up to you guys if you want to do that. Just for this video, I'll say no thanks. After that, I'm going to enter in the information for member number 1. Since I am an individual, I'll select this, and then I can select these to have it populate those based on what I entered before. And since it's just me, it's going to be 100% of ownership, but if it's 2 people, might be 50-50, up to you guys. After that, I'll click next. Here it's going to ask me for my registered agent information. And like I said earlier, the really great thing about IncFile is that it includes registered agent service free for 1 year. So I'm just going to leave that as is. But of course, you can also act as your own registered agent if you want to. I'll click next right here. Here it's going to have me enter in my EIN/tax identification number. I'll select my name here and I'll enter in my SSN. This is a fake SSN, by the way. Then I'll enter in my physical street address. We'll just pre-populate that with what I entered before and click next. After that, it's going to ask me if I want to set up a small business banking account. So for now, I'm just going to select no, but you guys can do that if you want. It's going to ask if I want a tax strategy/free consultation. So that's up to you guys. But for now, I'm just going to say not interested. I'll click next right here. It's going to identify any possible licenses for your business in Hawaii. For now, I'm just going to say no thanks, but make sure you have that covered. And now it's going to allow me to review my order for my new LLC. So scroll through it, make sure all the information is correct. And if it is, then I'll click next. And here's where it's going to have me enter in my billing information. So you're going to have your cardholder first and last name, your address, as well as your card number right here. And then after you do that, you're going to click I agree. And then you're going to click complete and pay. So yeah, super easy to create an LLC, you guys. Just use IncFile. It's much easier. And the link to the exact page you need to get to is going to be in the description below. Anyways, that's how you start an LLC in the state of Hawaii. I encourage you guys to do some more research. Know that there are yearly fees for your LLC, but if you guys are starting a new business and you want to be protected legally, then LLCs are a great way to structure your business. If you want to learn more about LLCs, S corps, and other business entities, this channel has a ton of other resources for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. This channel is dedicated to giving you guys free guides and tutorials to help you start your business. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.